How to buy Camel token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before we go on and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinGisco. To be able to buy this token, click on markets and you will be able to find the PancakeSwap from here. Click on this pair and you will be able to redirect you to PancakeSwap to be able to buy this token. Now wait a few seconds. As you can see here, first of all, what you need to do, just connect your wallet, select your wallet from here. I will select the MetaMask. So after that, what you need to do, now wait a few seconds. Now I guess it doesn't work. Just I will switch to OKX. Now just log into your wallet first, like that. Now click on unlock. So after you connect your wallet to PancakeSwap, so click on switch from here and you will be able to find this. Now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT here, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token called Camel, and here you can click on swap to be able to buy this token, and pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Camel token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.